Adam Wallace, Team Wallace, coming to you from our new listing in Riverside Point, 5426 56 Court East, Bradenton, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home right on Braden River, access to the Gulf. Mangroves right across the way, so you're looking at the view that you're going to have. That is the Braden River, which goes out to Manatee River and out to the Gulf. So you can put a boat right out back here. Once you build a dock, have access to the Gulf. Across the way, you're looking at 2¼ acres of mangroves. This is a pool home with brick pavers. Sliders open up so that you can enjoy the nice summer weather when it gets to be a little warmer. Gas stove for those of you who are chefs and enjoy to cook with gas. Stainless steel appliances, granite countertops throughout. Wood flooring in the office or den located up front. Wood flooring in the master bedroom. If you have any questions about this listing or would like to come take a look at it, you can reach me at 941-536-4351. This has 2,300 square feet under air. Dual sinks in the master bath. Walk-in shower, tub. Your closet is located on the back side of the bath here. Nice sized walk-in closet. Again, the address is 5426 56 Court East, Bradenton, Florida. It's listed at $509,000, 2,300 square feet. You've got a bonus room on the back side. Your 2 guest bedrooms over here. Guest bath. Granite countertops in all the bathrooms and in the kitchen. 2-car garage. Brick pavers for the driveway. Brick pavers around the pool. Open concept for entertaining. When you want to have those pool parties during the summer, everyone can be in part of the action. And you can jump right in your boat and head out to get some fish without having to worry about putting it on the trailer and running it out. Again, this is 5426 56 Court East, Bradenton, Florida. This is Adam Wallace with Keller Williams Realty. You can reach me at 941-536-4351. Have an awesome day.